Have you ever wanted to create your own website from scratch? Do you want to share your own unique messages and passions with the world? If so, you're in the right place. Hello, my name is Rohak and I'm the founder of EmpowerCode, an initiative promoting the intersection of technology and social activism in an effort to empower youth. Today, as you might have guessed from the title and thumbnail of this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your own fully functional website from scratch using HTML and CSS. But wait, who am I again? My name is Rohak and I have over 3 years of programming experience in languages like Python, Java, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I am passionate about using technology to create social change and impact, and that is exactly why I'm talking to all of you today. In my course, Project PassionSite, I will be taking you through the journey of creating a website from scratch. But what I'm really going to do is teach you that you truly can create something of your own and share it with the rest of the world. When I first started code, I felt intimidated by how difficult it seemed from the outside. It seemed overly complex, a hard obstacle to overcome. But I realized that I was wrong. You don't have to be the smartest to program. All it takes is consistent commitment and dedication. So throughout this course, you will not only have a step-by-step guide of how you can create your own website, but we'll also explore an amazing outlet to share your own passions, messages, ideas, and stories with the rest of the world. We will do this by using Brackets, a free code editor, and use HTML and CSS to build images, text, and interactive elements all throughout our own website. We will learn real-world techniques in web development all through the perspective of a beginner. I will take you hand by hand along this journey, so don't feel intimidated. So what can you expect? We'll be covering all the following things in detail. The basics of HTML, including all the main tags, attributes, and syntax, HTML semantic tags, and how you can write cleaner code, the basics of CSS, including all selectors, classes, and much more, the all-important CSS selectors that you need to know, CSS pseudo-classes and image styling, and finally, how you can add interactive elements to your own website. So if you find any of those things interesting and you want to start your journey in creating a website, join me and together, let's learn how and share our own unique messages with the rest of the world. Thank you so much for watching. Let's begin.